Following are the assets and liabilities of NICO Limited as on 31st March 2019 and 31st March 2018. The equity and liabilities: shareholders fund given, equity share capital 5 lakh, 4 lakh. Reserves and surplus 4 lakh 28 and 3 lakh 40. Opening 3 lakh 40, closing 4 lakh 80. Okay, by the time I am reading the sum, you may copy the sum for reference. Non-current liabilities, we have long-term borrowings, bank loan. Opening balance 2 lakh 10, closing balance 2 lakh 40. Current liabilities, opening 83, closing 1 lakh 8, trade payables. Provision for tax 1 lakh opening, 1 lakh 5 closing. Here, current assets given, non-current asset, property, plant and equipment, opening balance, closing balance given. Under current assets, we have inventories, trade receivables and cash equivalent. Okay. Notes to financial statement is given. Reserves and surplus has securities premium. When you see reserves and surplus over here is mentioned 4 lakh 28 and 3 lakh 40. Here are the bifurcations of this 4 lakh 28 and 3 lakh 40, means what are the items included in it. Reserve and surplus has securities premium. There is a 10,000 increase in securities premium between opening and closing date. You can see over there 10,000 increase. General reserve 40,000 increase during the year. Profit and loss 1 lakh 10 to 1 lakh 48, that is 38,000 increase. The following further particulars for 2018-19 are also given below. Dividend paid during the year 40,000. The company sold part of the property, plant and equipment for 32,000, whose WDV is 20,000. Depreciation charge on property, plant and equipment during the year 76,000. Interest accrued and paid during the year on bank loan 24,000. Income tax paid during the year 1,16,000. You are required to prepare cash flow for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay. Before we start with the preparation of the cash flow statement, let us prepare some accounts. Okay. Acha. In the current liability side, you have seen provision for taxation was there. So whenever provision for taxation, opening and closing balance will be given, we will open an account for provision for tax. Okay. How much is the opening balance given? By balance BD 1 lakh. To balance CD, closing balance as on 31st March 2009, it's given is 1 lakh 5,000. Okay. See, I'm showing you once. Here, opening balance of PFT is given 1 lakh. Okay. And closing balance is given 1 lakh 5. That is what I have recorded. And here, they have told income tax paid during the year 1 lakh 16. So if income tax is paid during the year, how does the journal entry goes? Provision for taxation account debit to bank, because PFT is an expense and cash is going out, so to bank. How much? 1 lakh 16,000. The balancing figure will go to by profit and loss account. 2,21,000. 1 lakh 21,000. Okay. Another account that we have to open, that we majorly open in cash flow statement, is property, plant and equipment. Okay. Property, plant and equipment account. Opening balance from the asset side, we get to balance BD 8,98,000. Closing balance by balance CD, it's 10,92,000. Okay. In the adjustments, it is given the company sold part of the property, plant and equipment for 30,000. Sold. So buy back, sale 32,000. WDV of which was 20,000. That means 20,000 का plant, okay, 20,000 का plant I sold for 32,000, right? WDV, that WDV means my cost was 20,000